Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel.
Hi, my name is Ali.
And I'm Max. And today we're going to be taking you on a trip to the Weeki Wachee Springs. Stay tuned for the ride. So we got here at around 8 a.m., maybe 8:05, 8:10. We had reservations for 8. There was about maybe 5-10 people waiting already to get into the kayaks, but the process itself was super smooth. We literally was processed maybe a minute, 2 minutes. We already pre-booked everything online, which is what I really recommend to do. Sign all the waivers, pay for the kayak rental. You just pick up your ticket at the front. You walk down, you grab your kayak, they put you in and they push you off, which is really nice. Every time I've done kayaking, you need to be able to push yourself off. And when you have a tandem kayak like ours, you know, it's a lot harder than doing your own because one person needs to sit inside, then you have to get inside the other part of the way through. We got some bushes coming through. So it's a little more challenging. Another tip that I would really pay attention to is they don't allow any disposable inside. So what I mean by disposables is plastic bottles, any kind of food wrappers, any plastic bags. So make sure if you're bringing water or anything like that, you put it in a refillable plastic bottle, metal bottle, whatever it might be. If you have any snacks, try to either eat them ahead of time or put them in a reusable container. Otherwise, they will not let you to go inside the springs themselves. They do a bag check ahead of time, so beware of that. A really important tip. This is actually the only spring that I've been to, the only area that I've been to in South Florida that does do that, so keep an eye on that. This water here is absolutely gorgeous. You could see all the fishes swimming around. It's crystal clear, super blue, and it's not even that cold. It's awesome. I want to take a swim. Hopefully we're gonna have a little bit of an opportunity ahead of time to to dive in, snorkel, maybe swim around. But this has been a beautiful trip thus far. We're about, I think, a quarter of the way through. The only issue we have right now is that they're not offering shuttle service back. So you have to paddle downriver, which is I think 2 to 4 miles, and then you have to paddle upriver after that, which is going to be a little bit harder because the current is quite strong. There's a lot of butterflies around, a lot of green plants, there's a lot of shade, so it's not too hot. It looks absolutely stunning. I can't say it enough. So what do you think about this water, huh?
It's very cold. I don't think it's as cold as the one in Disney Springs, but I love it. It's super nice. There is very strong current, so you gotta be careful. There is very deep spots, and there is like very specific sections that it's like there's a lot of sand, and it's very like not deep like we are right now. There is,
yeah, and it's nice and cool. It's not super cold, but it's
super cold.
It's refreshing. So baby, what are your thoughts of the spring so far?
It is really nice. It is really nice. It is super clear. There is so many huge fishes. They're so big and so fat, just like around you a lot. So what's up, babe? He's doing all the job. I'm just chilling here.
Yeah, she's our recorder right now. It's definitely a lot harder going upstream than it is downstream, I'll tell you that much for sure.
Yeah.
But we've been taking it slow, not going too fast, taking little breaks. We did stop only once. There's not that many spots to stop. There was also some signs further up the river not to stop from there.
Not to do it.
Which I'm sure you saw in the video already. But the thing is, you know, I think down there they allow you to stop, but up here we saw some motorboats and stuff like that, so I don't think they want you to stop.
Yeah.
Some huge fish. It's pretty cool to go snorkeling here. We didn't grab our snorkeling stuff. We left it in the car because we thought you couldn't swim here in general, but I guess there's dedicated spots for that where you can do that. But we got some cool footage of that too. It looks amazing. There's fish jumping out of the water. It's pretty awesome, and you can find little spots when you're going upstream that doesn't have the current, which looks nice, and it's pretty calm to relax and take a little break.
Yeah, these fishes are going crazy. They're huge. So every time they're jumping, oh my god, the sound of it, it's like when you're jumping and you land on your stomach and it hurts. That's what they sound like. Pretty
Belly
funny.
flop. Look at that gator. That's crazy. Look at him. Just chilling there on that rock. Little baby gator. Super cool. Tiny, tiny little guy. Let's see. There's gators in the springs. You gotta be careful, guys. That's super cool. Super, super cool. Out here in nature. Little baby gator. So we made it out of the springs. Super fun, nice little trip. Took about 4 hours total, maybe a little bit less, 3.5.
Yeah.
We didn't rush on the way back. It was really, really fun. Saw a lot of birds, a little baby gator even at the end that you saw. Really, really enjoyable. It's a little bit of a tough paddle back upstream. They're only doing that currently because of the whole COVID-19 pandemic. They're not picking anybody up on the way back. But I'm sure for those in the future that go straight down the river and don't need to paddle back up, it's a lot easier. Don't get me wrong, still very enjoyable, still very fun. And it wasn't really expensive. What did we pay for it?
It was like $65 for one kayak for 2 persons.
And everything else, the entry included, the kayak downriver, super, super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you had a lot of fun. And when you guys go, I hope you get to enjoy it as much as we did.
Yeah.
Don't forget to drop a like at the bottom if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more content in the future. Thank you so much for tuning in, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.